Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup policyholder info with Experian Identity Portal, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup policyholder information with the Experian Identity Portal, begin by visiting the Experian website. Locate the Identity Protection section on the home page. Click on the link to access the Identity Portal. If you already have an account, proceed to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see various options related to your identity protection. Look for the section labeled Data Backup or Policyholder Info. Click on this section to access backup options. Review the information provided about backing up policyholder details. Select the type of information you wish to back up, such as contact details or identification documents. Follow the prompts to upload or input the necessary information. Ensure all data is accurate and up-to-date before confirming the backup. Click on the Backup Now button to initiate the process. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your information has been successfully backed up. You may wish to log out of your account after completing the backup. For added security, consider setting up alerts for future changes to your policyholder information. Regularly check the portal to ensure your backup remains current. This concludes the detailed guide on backing up policyholder information with the Experian Identity Portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.